Hey guys, welcome back. This is Danya. It's time to say goodbye to this factory at present because we will move the new factory next week. So factory released the promotion for the two pieces of the battery pack, which is full assembled well and tested well for promotion. The battery is stackable one 51.2 voltage, 280 ampere hour lithium-ion battery pack. One is made by the Daly BMS 16 series 200 ampere discharge current. Another is made by the JK BMS 16 series 200 ampere with 2 ampere active balance. These two battery pack not on promotion. The cell inside the battery pack is made by the brand new Grade A Hyson 280 ampere hour, which have the 10,000 cycle lives. These two battery now is on promotion. The price is only 1,150 USD dollar. It is the 20% discount compared to the previous. It's the best time to buy and also with the 5 years warranty. So let me to show you the details of the two battery pack.
This one is made by the Daly BMS and the screen is button. It is not touchable. You can see the details. Here is the M8 screw. There shows the battery remake capacity. This is the on and off switch. This is the address. Here is to connect R and S communication board. This is the circuit breaker. Here, this one is made by the JK BMS. The JK BMS is touchable. You can see, you can touch to see each of the battery cell. You can see the voltage difference is 0.002 voltage difference. It is touchable, and this one is 51.63 voltage. This is the on and off switch, the address, the R and S, the connector. This is also made the M8 terminal, and this is a 200 ampere circuit breaker.
Okay, both battery is brand new, made by brand new Grade A Hyson 280 ampere hour. Above is the details of the battery. So if you guys are interested in this battery pack, you can contact with our sales freely to get the shipping cost quote, because different country with the different place with the different postcode, the shipping cost is different. I saw many comments on the previous video that asked the shipping cost to the USA or to the UK or to the Europe, because it is very big difference compared to the different place. So if you guys need the shipping cost for quote, please send your details address with the postcode, and our sales will check the shipping agent to get the best quote for your reference. Above is the promotion for the battery pack, and also we have many different battery cells in good quality and also in the promotion. So if you guys have interest in, you can contact with us freely. And for that one, the vertical one, this is we used and we never sell it. Actually, it is very good quality. We used it for almost half a year and it worked very well. I remember I introduction for you guys before about that vertical type, which is made by the Pace BMS and Hyson 280 ampere hour, and it connects with our inverter. Can you see our inverter? Yeah. So when we move to the new factory, the next video I will show you guys how to connect the battery with the inverter. And also next video to show you guys how to connect the inverter to the solar panel. So keep to follow us. We will to bring more better video and interesting things for you guys. And thank you for you guys watching the video. See you next time. Bye bye.